In this video, we will look at the Custom HTML Data Type Custom Data field. This field allows you to input HTML, merge fields, and even calculate merge fields. The primary benefits are the ability to display the value in document templates and list views. Let's take a look. I'm going to go to my matter type, which is located in Admin Matter Types, and I'll select my matter type Vehicle Collision. If I select Matter Data, you can see that I have a data collection, and I have two fields in that collection. One is a date type field, and one is a custom HTML field. I'm going to go ahead and edit the custom HTML field. And when you edit the value in a custom HTML field, it just displays that value. You're not able to set it in the matter. You can see I have that here, and if I select Edit, I have nothing to edit here. So I have to input that in this screen in the description field. So I can do things like put a merge field in there. So I can reflect this action ID. That's actually action. Save. When I go back to this matter, I can access the data collection and see that it shows my matter ID. So another thing I can do if I need to add a helpful link here, I can grab a link. In this case, I'm going to, since it's a vehicle collision, I'm going to grab the crash investigation link from the DMV website, and I can put that in. So I can go, and this is just some HTML. Save. And then when I go to my matter over here, I can refresh, and it'll show you that crash investigation link, which I can go to here on the DMV website. So another thing I can do is I can input a calculated merge field, because I can put in any merge field here. So I'll go ahead and create a calculated merge field, and that's going to be done in document assembly, merge field list, calculated merge field. And I'm going to call this one next date. So I'm going to create a calculation code, which I'm going to grab from our calculated merge fields user guide article, and I'm going to do a little math on a date. So I'm going to grab this here, edit my field, Control V, and I want to use a specific merge field for that custom data collection. So I'm going to go find that via admin document assembly merge fields list and set my data source to that data collection there, let me see. Actually, I'm looking for data collection name, and I know it's in the dates collection. So I can look up dates. So I can grab this date. I'm going to input that here. You can see after running that test, it shows 5 days ahead from that initial date. So it's the 22nd, when this one shows the 17th. So I can go back to my data collections, and I can set that field. So now that I can see that my calculated merge field works, I can go ahead and save that. I can take a look at my merge field list and grab that merge field, copy that, and I can input that merge field. Save. So when I go to my matter and I refresh, you can see that it's actually pulled that date. So the benefit of this is I can actually generate that in a document template, or I can create a custom list view. I'll do that by selecting Matter List Views, and I'll create a new list. So this list name will be called Vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and make it visible to an administrator, and I'm going to choose my matter type Vehicle Collision. Save. So I'm going to add a new column at the very beginning. So I'll put the default position as 50, and this will be called next date. And I'm going to choose my single row custom action data and choose next date. Now I can preview that, and you can see that it pulls in that next date value, and that's calculated based on the other date in that field. So you can see the power of that. If you look at the calculated merge fields article, you can see all the things you can do. For instance, you could put a lead time for when you need to receive some funds, or you could put a top-up amount on a document about how much trust you need to receive. So it's a really, really flexible field, and the possibilities of what you could do with it are basically endless. Thanks for watching.